The Saffron Toucanet Pteroglossus bailloni is a South American toucan that is found in the Atlantic rainforests in southeastern Brazil. Adjacent areas in far northeastern Argentina and eastern Paraguay. In Brazil, they mostly occur in lowland and montane regions, up to 1,550 meters or 5,085 feet, generally on slopes and beside streams. They are most common in Espírito Santo and Minas Gerais to Rio Grande do Sul. They also occur in Pernambuco and have been reintroduced into ex-Guanabara, Rio de Janeiro. Saffron toucanets are less common in Argentina and Paraguay. Araçaris generally roost socially throughout the year. Up to 5 adults and their fledged offspring sleep in the same hole with their long tails folded over their backs. Even though this species is still fairly common, its numbers are decreasing due to habitat destruction, hunting and capturing for the pet trade. Therefore, this species is now classified as near threatened. Description: the saffron toucanet measures about 35 to 40 centimeters, 14 to 16 in length, including its long tail. As suggested by its common name, the plumage is mostly saffron yellow, the back and tail are darker, more olive in color. The rump is red. It has a greenish horn-colored bill with red around the base. The skin around the eye is red and the eyes are a pale yellow. Reproduction: they typically nest in trees with appropriate hollows, most of which are previously made by woodpeckers. Other hollows are the result of a branch break and ensuing rotting of the heartwood from rain over a period of time. Both the male and female share the incubation and chick rearing duties. The eggs are incubated for about 16 days. The newly hatched chicks are blind and naked with short bills and thick pads on their heels to protect them from the rough floor of the nest. Both parents, as well as their previous offspring and/or possibly other adults, feed the chicks. The young fledge after about 6 weeks. The adults continue to feed them for several weeks after fledging.